Bedroom A. So, 56 square meters siya. So, makikita natin dito yung numbers niya. From living to the balcony. So, tara guys, pasok tayo. So, here, makikita na natin ang living area on the right side. So, nandyan yung entertainment system natin or yung TV. And nandito yung sala set. And on the other side, which is nandito yung kitchen. And these are all included, yung mga babanggitin ko, yung cabinets, yung granite countertop finish, and your bar counter. However, yung ref hindi kasama, yung range hood, yung gas range, yan, hindi kasama yan. And also yung mga lighting niya, basic lang. So for this one, this is a dressed up unit na para at least may inspiration kayo or makikita nyo kung ano yung mga pwede nyo pang gawin. And also this is the dining area, the dining set. And on this side, nandito yung toilet and bath natin. And yung toilet and bath natin includes yung granite countertop finish, lavatory, the toilet, and syempre yung shower head, shower set. So, hindi kasama dyan yung glass, yung mirrors, and yung cabinet sa baba. And this one, this is the washing machine area. So, kala nyo kung ano yung nakatago dyan. So, yan yung washing machine area niya. So, pwede kayo maglagay ng drying area niya sa taas lang. And this one, we have the 2 bedrooms here. So, this is the master's bedroom or the bedroom 1. So, makikita naman natin dito yung queen size bed. And nandito na rin yung access niya for the balcony. So guys, take note. These are just a sample. So, hindi siya included yung cabinets. Ang included nandito is yung lighting. Pero yung lighting niya, which is ano lang, yung bukilya lang yung isa. So, kayo na mag-upgrade. And this is the bedroom 2. So, for the kids, or kung gusto natin gawing office area. So, yan yung itsura niya. And, kasyang-kasya yung mga cabinets dyan. And, provision niya for the aircon for the 2 rooms is a window type. So, here, punta tayo ngayon sa balcony. So, in the morning, ito yung magiging view nyo. And at night, ito rin yung magiging view nyo. Lalo na paggabi. Sobrang liwanag dyan. And here, nandyan yung coffee table nyo. Or kung ano man yung pwedeng gawin nyo dyan, lalagyan ng plants. So, yan siya.